Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to share how you can make AI work for you in the world of content creation using ChatGPT. In this guide, we'll cover practical strategies, all with the cutting edge features of ChatGPT in 2024. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's dive right in. Imagine this. You're about to create a new YouTube video, but you're stuck on where to start. With ChatGPT in 2024, brainstorming and drafting have become so much easier. Let me show you how. Suppose I want to make a 10-minute video about sustainable living tips for urban residents. I'll just put a prompt down here to ChatGPT. So here it is. So I'd say I'd ask for a script outline for a 10-minute YouTube video about, as you guessed it, sustainable living tips for urban residents. See? All right, let's send this prompt over. Now let's see what ChatGPT comes up with right about now. All right, here is the title. Here's the introduction right here, the segment. There we go. Each of them have like a detail, an info detail that could guide you when making your script right here. There's the conclusion. There's also time duration that is recommended by ChatGPT. And yeah, so let's take a look at this real fully. Scrolling back up. Segment 3, 2, 1, right here. And yep, this is a solid framework to build my video on. But what if I need to make a specific section more engaging for a younger audience? For instance, that is. So let's say I have a paragraph that I selected, that is. For instance, that needs tweaking. So I'll ask ChatGPT again for suggestions down here. So let's say here we go. Here's the prompt. So here's my prompt here that I'm asking to ChatGPT. Suggest improvements to make this paragraph right over here. So let's say this is for segment 1. See? Now let's send this prompt right about now and see how ChatGPT would provide the improvements for this paragraph that I just sent over. And here it is. See? Look at this one. Right here, see the difference. Did you know small changes? Did you know that making small changes, it changed up the wording a bit on some of the sections of this paragraph, and right, this looks really good, I must say. So, there are just a couple of examples of how ChatGPT streamlines content creation. So, no more staring at a blank page or getting stuck in endless edits, because ChatGPT is right here to help you out with this. Thanks, ChatGPT. As content creators, connecting with our audience is key, but keeping up with comments, messages, and creating interactive content can be overwhelming. That's where ChatGPT comes in handy. Let me show you how I use it to engage more effectively with my viewers. First, I want to tailor my upcoming content to what my audience is most interested in. So I'll ask ChatGPT to analyze my recent videos. So I think I've got my data on my YouTube channel, that is, to ChatGPT. So for instance, that is. So let's say here's my prompt. All right, here it is. Analyze my last 5 videos and suggest more content topics that would most interest my audience based on engagement metrics. Here we go. And send this off right now. All right, I've sent the prompt. Now let's wait and see what insights ChatGPT would provide. All right. So let's say these are the 5 videos, my last 5 videos from my channel, and these are the following insights that ChatGPT would recommend so that my audience would be suggested in. And here suggested content topics like mastering AI tools, and then another one for AI assisted DIY projects, build your own website or app, and yeah, these insights are gold, I must say. Now, I know exactly what my viewers want to see more of, thanks to ChatGPT's suggestions and more information right here to help me outgrow my channel, that is. See? Continuing under this segment, next we'll tackle audience interaction. Responding to every comment is important, but it's tough to keep up. Let's have ChatGPT again help craft personalized responses to common comments, that is. Here's another prompt that I put together right here. So create friendly and personalized responses to thank viewers for their comments and encourage them to share their thoughts. Now, let's send this prompt now. Then let's see what responses it generates. So here are the following, like, thanks so much for your comment. And here's another one, like, it's great to hear from you for the second one. Another one right here, thanks for the kind words, it means a lot. And another one, thanks for chiming in, so on and so forth. And yep, this is really helpful, I must say. See? See right here? There we go. And these are really quite helpful. See? Perfect. They're personal and it could encourage further engagement. See? Now, the final thing that I want to show you for this segment is making our content more interactive. I want to include a quiz in my next video to engage viewers. Now, here's the prompt that I put together. Now pasting here. So let's say I want ChatGPT to generate a short quiz question about eco-friendly living that I can include in my next video. See? Now, let's send this off right now. And now let's check out the quiz question ChatGPT comes up with right here. So here is an example. Let's say for the viewers for fun, which of the following actions has the most significant impact on reducing your carbon footprint? So here are the questions. The multiple choices right here, the answer right here to help it out. And yeah, this is engaging and educational. A great way to interact with my audience, per se. So, by leveraging ChatGPT for these tasks, I'm able to build a stronger community and keep my viewers engaged. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. One effective way to monetize your content is by offering premium exclusive materials to your audience. But creating such content can be time consuming and challenging. With ChatGPT, you can develop high quality premium content quickly and efficiently. Let me show you how I create a 5-part email course for my premium subscribers, for example. Now, let's say, here's my prompt. ChatGPT, help me create a 5-part email course on advanced photography techniques for my premium subscribers. Now, let's send this off right now and let ChatGPT do all the magic from here. All right, here it is. For example, for email 1, subject, overview, there are the key topics including call to action. There's email 2, talking about advanced composition, same details as the I mean, the CTA key topics and such, it will be included in each email that ChatGPT would suggest. Another one right here, creative use of lenses. Same as always, subject overview, key topic, CTA. Here we go, the final one, editing for impact. And yep, as you can see right here, once it's finished, ChatGPT has provided a comprehensive outline. This gives me a solid foundation to build my email course, saving me hours of planning and drafting. Next, let's explore how ChatGPT assists with AI driven marketing campaigns. Identifying and targeting niche markets is crucial for effective monetization. Now, I'll ask ChatGPT to help me find emerging trends that align with my brand and suggest marketing strategies to reach eco conscious consumers. Now, going here, just as I stated, will be put together through a prompt that I'll be pasting right here. Here we go. Everything that I've stated all combined together through this prompt. Now, let's send this off right now. Now, let's see the insights ChatGPT provides right about now. All right, here are the following trends that ChatGPT had suggested. For example, eco-friendly fashion, zero-waste products, and local artisanal products. And there's the marketing strategies, certifications and partnerships, community building. There we go. Limited edition eco ranges, loyalty programs, and yep, here we go. Now, these insights are incredibly valuable for tailoring my marketing efforts. Now, by leveraging ChatGPT for market analysis and strategy development, I can effectively target niche markets and maximize my monetization opportunities. See? Finally, let's look ahead to future trends and predictions in content creation with ChatGPT. As AI technology continues to advance at lightning speed, we're on the verge of some groundbreaking developments that could reshape our industry entirely. One of the most exciting areas is the rise of multimodal AI, which can handle text, images, audio, and even video simultaneously. Imagine creating content that seamlessly blends these elements, all with the help of AI. Now, let's ask ChatGPT what emerging trends in AI will impact content creation in the next 2 years. Through this prompt here, there we go. And now I'll send the prompt. Now, let's see what insights ChatGPT provides. All right, so this is what ChatGPT had listed down so far. Generative AI advancements, hyper personalization. So, another one, AI driven video editing. There's also interactive content, content SEO optimization, deepfake, and virtual influencers. Another one right here, AI generated music and sound design, multimodal AI integration, AI powered collaboration tools, AI ethics, and content authenticity. All right, so these trends suggest that content creation will become more dynamic and personalized. So these would offer richer experiences to our audience. Though, let's dive deeper into real time personalization and see how we can leverage it. So, let's go down here and ask ChatGPT, like, for instance, how can content creators leverage real time personalization to enhance audience engagement? All right, just as I stated earlier, now, sending this prompt now. I'm excited to see what strategies ChatGPT recommends right here. All right, so here is what ChatGPT had suggested so far. So first with Dynamic content customization. For example, under that is interactive storytelling. Another one is behavioral targeting. Another one right here, AI-powered audience segmentation. Under that, tailored messaging. There's also personalized email campaigns. There's predictive content creation. And there we go. Chatbots and interactive AI assistants. Sorry about that. All right. Keep processing. Real-time social media personalization. Yada, yada, yada. And yeah, that's quite fascinating with these suggestions there, ChatGPT. It means we can create content that adapts to each viewer, making their experience truly unique. By starting to integrate these AI capabilities now, we can stay ahead of the curve and be prepared for the future of content creation. And there you have it. We've explored how ChatGPT is not just shaping the future of content creation, it's redefining it.